The Power of Belief, a comprehensive guide to transforming your life. Beliefs are the foundational elements that shape our perceptions, decisions, and ultimately, our destinies. Renowned thinkers like Neville Goddard, Joseph Murphy, and James Clear have extensively explored the profound impact of belief on personal transformation. This guide synthesizes their teachings into a structured framework designed to facilitate meaningful change. Identifying limiting beliefs, replacing limiting beliefs, rewiring the mind, reframing perceptions, embracing transformation. 1. Identifying limiting beliefs. Definition: limiting beliefs are deeply ingrained convictions that constrain our actions and thoughts, often leading to self-sabotage and unfulfilled potential. Steps to identify limiting beliefs. Self-reflection. Engage in introspection to uncover beliefs that hinder your progress. Journaling can be a valuable tool in this process. Seek feedback. Consult trusted friends, family, or mentors who can provide insights into behaviors or attitudes you might overlook. Monitor self-talk. Pay attention to negative or self-defeating thoughts that arise in challenging situations. Example: consider Sarah, an aspiring writer who believed she wasn't talented enough to publish a book. This belief prevented her from submitting manuscripts to publishers. 2. Replacing limiting beliefs process. Challenge the belief. Question the validity of the limiting belief. Ask yourself, is this belief based on facts or assumptions? Gather evidence against the belief. Reflect on instances where this belief has been proven incorrect. For example, Sarah recalled positive feedback from peers and mentors, contradicting her self-doubt. Formulate empowering beliefs. Replace the limiting belief with a positive affirmation. Instead of "I'm not talented enough," Sarah adopted "I have a unique voice that deserves to be heard." Example: John, who believed he was too old to start a new career, challenged this by researching individuals who successfully transitioned careers later in life. This evidence helped him replace his limiting belief with, "It's never too late to pursue my passion." 3. Rewiring the mind techniques. Positive affirmations. Regularly practicing positive self-talk can help shift internal dialogue and reinforce new beliefs. Visualization. Envisioning success can activate neural pathways associated with achieving goals, making the desired outcome more attainable. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices enhance self-awareness and help in recognizing and altering negative thought patterns. Example: Sarah dedicated time each morning to visualize her book on store shelves and practiced affirmations like, "My writing inspires and captivates readers." The Power of Belief. Nuts and bolts. 4. Reframing perception strategies. Adopt a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn rather than threats to your self-esteem. Practice gratitude. Focusing on what you're thankful for can shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance. Seek alternative perspectives. Engage with diverse viewpoints to broaden your understanding and challenge existing biases. Example: when faced with rejection from a publisher, Sarah viewed it as valuable feedback and an opportunity to improve her manuscript, rather than a personal failure. 5. Embracing transformation actions. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and appreciate progress, no matter how minor it may seem. Reflect on the journey. Regularly assess how far you've come and the growth you've experienced. Share your success. Inspiring others with your story can reinforce your new beliefs and provide motivation to continue striving. Example: after successfully publishing her book, Sarah held a small gathering with friends and family to celebrate her achievement, reinforcing her newfound belief in her capabilities. Conclusion: transforming one's life through the power of belief is a journey that requires introspection, commitment, and resilience. By systematically reviewing and replacing limiting beliefs, rewiring our minds, reframing our perspectives, and embracing transformation, we can unlock our true potential and lead a more fulfilling life. Remember, the beliefs we hold are powerful. They can either be the chains that limit us or the keys that free us. Choose wisely.